Hey, high levelers, Rio Daniel here, and in this video, what I want to do is briefly cover the communities feature inside of Highlevel and some of the new cool features since the October 24 summit, what some of the new features they've come out with, and some of the cool things that you can do, even if you're not a member of the GoHighLevel community. Believe it or not, you can still do communities, you can still have all of those features that communities have for free without even signing up for Highlevel. Now, with signing up for Highlevel, it is much easier and you can do a lot more cool stuff as far as monetizing things that you do, but you don't have to have GoHighLevel in order to implement the communities inside of the Highlevel platform. So let me just go ahead and just switch over and just start with the basics of communities, and let's go from there. Let's take a look at it here. So right now, one of the biggest community platforms out there right now that has a large market share, I'm going to be quite honest, is Skool. Skool, Skool. If you take a look here, that's their site. And all of these communities, this is just a place where Skool has built a platform that allows people to post, interact, communicate together, do direct messaging, have event posting online, all that kind of cool stuff in there. And Highlevel has developed communities probably within the last year. And since the October 24 summit, they have released some incredibly, absolutely crusher, cool new features that has made them a competitor directly for the Skool platform. So right now, besides Skool here, I'm going to go ahead and kick that off. Highlevel has developed a completely separate platform from the GoHighLevel platform called GoKollab. And I'm going to blow this up just to let you, it's a weird name here, I'm going to be honest. GoKollab, up there at the top left here, so you take a look here. GoKollab is their site where they're offering the community feature inside of Highlevel for free to anybody that wants it. Now, again, this is their way of communicating. If you take a look here, the design of this site is probably very similar to what you saw with the design of Skool sites. You can come here, create your own free community, sign up for an account. And again, if you have a Highlevel account, you can have an unlimited number of communities. I'm just going to go over a brief overview of some of the community features here for those people that may not be aware of Highlevel and the community features alone. But I have a truly in-depth video that I'm going to link to this video that goes over in-depth how to configure and just everything about the community feature, how to customize it, how to brand it, how to do all that other stuff. I'm leaving that for another video. This is just, again, higher level, just to help people understand some of these other features that are available in case you don't already know. So GoKollab, again, is a website now that's becoming open to anybody to create a free community system on the GoHighLevel platform. Now, I will show you inside of Highlevel, if you do have a Highlevel account and you do create a community, how can you share that community out to the GoKollab directory? Now, that's not by default. Not every community inside of Highlevel is automatically placed on the GoKollab website inside of their searchable directory database. No, you have to purposely go in and say, I want my community listed on this site so that it's searchable and have people be able to find it and either join it for free or they can actually pay for it depending upon the type. Now, I will simply look here, and if we take a look, I'm trying to look at these right here. I'm going to blow this up here. Notice this right here. We've got this Elite for University. This one is free. This is the way it's said, but if you come down here, this one, I don't know these people. I'm just going to the site and looking at them. Notice that this one says paid. So you can have paid communities inside of GoHighLevel. So not every community has to be free. If you want to charge for it, you can certainly charge for it and build a monthly recurring revenue just off the community subscriptions to be a part of your community. And that has nothing to do whatsoever with SaaS or being a client inside of GoHighLevel or giving any features inside of GoHighLevel at all. This is a completely separate product that integrates with Highlevel, but it's not a part of it. It's another revenue stream that you can generate built upon the Highlevel platform. So anyway, I just want to show you that there are ones in here that are free and ones that are paid. So again, it makes it a great directory, and Highlevel is going to do nothing but continue to push the GoKollab.com website. As a matter of fact, some of the news that we found out in the summit of October 2024 this year is Highlevel is actually going to be joining Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi in the mastermind.com domain to actually start incorporating GoKollab in with their people to start building communities off of the GoHighLevel platform. Now, I haven't found out any other news on that. Stay tuned. That was pretty damn exciting, at least to me. I'm a huge Tony Robbins fan. And the fact that that platform, mastermind.com, which is freaking huge, is now going to be incorporated into the GoKollab. This GoKollab site is going to go skyrocket. It's going to go crazy. Now, because GoKollab is now a separate product, a separate site dealing with communities, Highlevel has released a separate GoKollab app. There is a mobile app, and this is what it looks like right here. The GoKollab mobile app. It's a part of the Lead Connector LLC, but this is the logo that you have. So you can go ahead and download GoKollab.com. And think about this. Again, they wanted to compete with Skool because Skool has an app. So if you download GoKollab and you log into it, that login is going to be tied to maybe one community. You can be a part of 100 different communities, but the great thing about it is that this mobile app is now going to allow you to directly access all of the communities that you have access to on the GoKollab platform, all within one mobile app, and get all of the push notifications and everything else from there. Super cool. Now, this is completely separate from the lead connector app that connects to the GoHighLevel platform. Again, this is a separate revenue stream, a separate kind of product, still integrating with Highlevel, but it is a separate thing. So just this right here is a different app for people to access your communities in case they want to, for instance, somebody can be a member of your community and not be a client on your GoHighLevel SaaS. That makes sense? Hopefully it does. So right now, what I want to do is at least come back in here and show you, at least these are the communities that I have built inside of the GoHighLevel platform. And I want to specifically show you where you would log in and go to actually join this GoKollab network and things like that. So right now I've got, I'm an affiliate of GoHighLevel, so I have an affiliate support community for everybody that signs up under Highlevel. I will give a quick plug. Again, I'm an affiliate. I have a 30-day free trial link in the description below. If you have not signed up for Highlevel, click on the link. You do get 30 days. And I do have an upgrade link for everybody that wants to upgrade to Agency Pro level. Click on the upgrade link. I have a ton of bonuses, snapshots, just a ton of stuff to give you. Ultimately, my goal is to make sure that you're successful with the GoHighLevel platform. That's it. So I'm here to help you out. But that's my affiliate support. And this right here is my SaaS Jumpstart group, which I'm going to open up. This is my free group to actually help train people on how to make money and use the GoHighLevel platform and all the features to make money. Now, I'm not going to go into any kind of details, but one of the things I do want to show you, because I told you I would, is over here to the right, there is a settings button. And I'm going to get out of the way here. If you click on settings, then here you can see down here over on this side, if you come to discovery, you see the discovery. If you turn this on, get discovered by millions of active users. This right here is where you would turn this on. And once you turn it on, then your group now becomes a member here. So if you come here to look at SaaS, notice that this is the SaaS Jumpstart group that I have showing up. We have a little over 2,000 members, which is pretty freaking cool. I'm so proud of that. And just looking to help train and get people. I even have snapshots. Guys, if you want free snapshots, join my SaaS Jumpstart group in here and my SaaS community, and I'll link it in the description below. You get all this. I think I have 4, 5, or 6 free snapshots, depending upon different things that you want to do, that are all downloadable for free. You don't have to pay for them. But anyway, this right here is how you would turn this discovery on for your group. If you want to turn it off, then you would just simply fall off and you would not be available on the GoKollab network. But communities are so awesome because now what you can end up doing here is, besides doing all your basic posting, this right here is where you can create as many channels as you want for different ways of communicating in case you want sales, support, in case you want to have membership, affiliates, anything like that. You can have different channels where people can communicate and about that specific topic on those channels, but you can also have groups. So if you have different groups, people can go between one group to another from here. So that's pretty cool as well. Biggest thing here is the learning. Clicking on the learning basically allows you to pull all of your coursework in directly into your community. So now you don't have to link people to a different course like they did before. You don't have to leave the community and go over to the courses area to take the course. You can access it directly inside of the learning environment, which is super cool. And you can sit back, and if you want, all the gamification is turned on, so you can do all kinds of stuff inside of here with building engagement. You have events, so now you can schedule events inside of here and make it available to people, just like in school. You can take a look at members. You can come here and take a look at your manage your account if you wanted to, and manage your profile. All of these things become available, and it's just ultimately super cool to have all of this in one place where people can talk about different things, access training, all without having to leave one thing. Now, keep in mind, one of the great things about Highlevel, remember I told you in the very beginning that having a community is free, but if you have Highlevel, it's even better. Here, if you wanted to, notice that these courses are free. This is completely free, but if I wanted to, I could create a product, or if I already have a product configured inside of Highlevel, I can come here and click on add a course, choose any of my courses. Let's just say this cold email snapshot here, because I do sell a snapshot called cold email snapshot. If you do cold emails, that gives you all the stuff that you need to do cold email right away. So let's just say if I come down here and I want to give access, I could say, instead of it being free, I could say charge one time, charge $297 because that's what I charge. There's going to be no trial period. So you can do 0 on the trial period. And for this, so right now, none of this stuff really matters because you did a one-time payment. And then now you can click on add course. Now, when you add a course, now what happens is, besides all of these free things that you have, if somebody's interested in your cold email snapshot, they can click on this. And when they click on it, it actually now takes them, again, I have access to it because of my security, I have access to it. But if you don't, then when you click on this, it will take you to a purchase and order form. So in a sense, what this is that you can have free communities inside of Highlevel, where now you can actually offer paid courses directly in the same learning tab as you're giving other things away for free, hoping to increase your conversions on those particular products. Again, super cool, super awesome. Hopefully you enjoyed. This is just a real quick tutorial over what Highlevel is doing, some of the new cool features, how they're expanding, what to expect in the future, and just how you can really utilize communities to interact with people and to make money. So guys, if you found this useful, click on the like button, click on the comment. I always appreciate your support. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you thinking? Click on that subscribe button. You're nuts if you don't subscribe to my channel because of all the awesome content that I have. Yes, I am patting myself on the back on that one. So thanks so much for hanging in there with me, guys. I appreciate it. And you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.